PVC glazed roof tiles offer advantages like being lightweight, durable, and weather-resistant, providing excellent waterproofing, corrosion resistance ideal for coastal or industrial areas, and UV protection to prevent fading. They are also cost-effective, energy-efficient, offer good thermal or acoustic insulation, and are easy to install and maintain, making them popular for residential, commercial, and agricultural buildings as an alternative to traditional roofing. The production line consists of conical twin-screw extruder and single extruder, head mold, embossing device, dedicated shape-forming device, hauling-off machine, cutting machine and stacker. The main conical twin-screw extruder is for the extrusion of PVC layer and the small single-screw extruder is for the extrusion of ASA layer. It also has auxiliary equipments for ridge roof tiles including heating oven, shape pressing and shaping device and dedicated molds. Our PVC ASA roof tile production line has excellent features and advantages: highly automatic, high efficiency, energy saving, easy and convenient operation and maintenance, stable and durable operation and long service life. Qingdao Wire Plastic Machinery has strong abilities of researching, developing, designing and manufacturing. We can provide personalized customizing services for clients according to specific requirements.